here at the R33 Drift Track for the Eastside Collective Car Meet. So, ano pa hinatay natin? Let's go! Finally, at the R33 Drift Track at San Simon, Pampanga for the Eastside Collective Car Meet. Ito yung event na na-postpone na dapat sa Philippine Arena. Ayun nga, unfortunately, bumagyo on that day, so they have to reschedule and postpone it. And now, we are now here. So, ikot na tayo. Let's go! Let's go! Ay, ito, to start. Ayan, we now have the Batmobile. Batman! Ayan, Bat. Then, wow! Vios. A white Vios. So, check natin. Ang bababa. Yung Mirage. Wigo. Check out the Montello. Look at that. Naka-wrap MOTUL. Check out the AUTOPLUS drift track dito sa R33. So, tignan natin kung anong mga happening dito. Holy shit! Oh my God! Natin na si Carl sa Vios nga, ano, bilis, di ba? Tuloy grabe, sobrang bilis. Kasi yung sabi hindi matuloy ng Vios. So yan, so check natin yung mga ibang cars dito. Yan, kay Jet, Corolla ni Jet.
Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
Let's try to do the walk around here at the car meet. So check natin yung mga auto rito. So medyo punuan today. So, let's try our best na maikot kung anong pwede nating maikot sa sobrang dami. And, we'll be giving away stickers! Ayan, they have the Wigo here. Very low Wigo. Mga Airsus. The Decal Republic Charger. So, yung Supra ni Boss James. Civic. The two-door Evo. Yan. Ganda nito, guys. Ganda. Check it out. And another Evo Lancer. And another Challenger.
There's no mercy in this world, just hunger-thirsty persons in different versions. Each new update, that shit worsens.
Let's check out the Honda here. So, check it out, an Integra with a K-series engine. Hindi na masyado kita guys, pero yan, K-swap. Oh, let's check out this MR2, oh, linis lang.
Ano yung sa makina?
What happened to the engine? Ba't naging gulong? De, joke lang. Pero ito yung maganda, yung T-top siya. Check nyo to. Glass top. Ayan o. So pwede siyang alisin. T-top version. Very rare. Montello on underglows. Nice. A Lancer. Yan. Everyone's busy ngayon dito sa ESC. Yan guys, sobrang dami. Guys, sobrang dami, hindi na sila magkasya. Punong-puno dito. Yan, on this side. Let's check out this Vios. Kay Lay. Yun o. Let's check out this Evo. I think this is an Evo 5. Ganto. And this monster Evo. Pakinggan mo yung idle. Hanep. And of course, we love cars. That's why we are here sa Esc Car Meet, because we love seeing a lot of cars. Di ba, Patoy? Yes sir. O, kamusta naman yung shotgun ride mo kanina?
Sobrang... Well, hindi ako natakot kasi parang tansyado ko naman. Mas more exciting kapag ikaw nagmaneho.
Not today, not today.
Next time na lang, next time.
Next time. But now let's focus on the event and let's see the cars here. Let's try our best na maikutan. Ayan. Ayan. Check this out. A Corolla. Big body na naka-Yakuza bumpers. Very low. Static or bag?
Ito for sure bag. Ano this guy?
Yeah. Simple Vios. Yeah, clean lang. Put some nice rims. Drop it. Mufflers. You're good to go. Diba, ganun naman kasimple. Diba? Oh, pag bumili ka na ng Vios mo, Patoy.
Alam na. Dami kong piyesa sa'yo.
Jensen in the house! Ayan, bago pumasok uli sa trabaho, ito kami nagliliwaliw.
Kasi next week wala na.
Wala, ano na, back to real work next week. So yan. Baka may maniwala, wag ganun. Nice car sir, white on white. Guys, may pops and bangs. So ayan, let's check out this side. Ito, mga Suzuki, may mga Swift. Ayan, may naririnig tayong pops and bangs. Ayan. And of course, to, kilala natin tong CRV Gen 1 na to kay Jansen. Ito yung kanya. Ayan, malapit na matapos to. Then repaint. Let's check out this Innova. Mean green machine Innova, very low. Why so serious?
Make you sit, listen to what they give. Don't ask questions, shut your lid. Yeah, don't ask questions, shut your lid. I need to run away from this and go get off the grid. Feel like my brain is overloaded, man, I'm losing it. Don't let them tell you what to do, man, they don't know shit. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
What is up?
What's up?
The nerd in the house. Let's check out AUTO-GARD, one of our brand partners. And of course, NFS Center. Nandito din sila to support the event. Yan, so for gusto nyo bumili ng AUTO-GARD, yan, shop online at NFS Center. They have their last mall and Shopee. Let's check out this RX-7. Ganda, whale size. This is the replica nung kay Han sa Tokyo Drift. So check it out, ang ganda. Check out this yellow FDRX7. Very clean. Check it out. Yeah, sitting on work wheels, oh. Ganda. And si Boss James, you know, can't help it but to take a snap on this beautiful RX-7. Rotary power. Brap, 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 brap. Ganda ng wheels, no, boss? Ayan, check it out, guys. So in detail, this car deserves a carbon media sticker. So shout out kung sino may-ari ito, sir. Approved. We really like it. O yan, no? Binigyan tayo ni Johnson ng coffee finish. Ang sarap, guys. Endorser. Ayan, no? Maraming salamat, Johnson. Pang ano, tawid puhaw. At napakasarap ang pagising.
Of your problems just to save her. I've got my own issues. I need
Okay, ito na. It's time for the fun and games here at Esc Car Party. So let's go!
Yun totoo. Cowboy? Eh, ba't ayaw niyang aminin? 5 seconds, wala naman siya.
Walang label! Walang label! Walang label? Secret? Secret?
Sakit naman.
Sakit nun, bro. Wag ganun.
Hindi ko na yung umuha.
Wag ganun, bro.
Gusto ko na bumita. Sige.
Smack!
Smack lang.
Mabilisan.
Hindi! Dali! Smack lang! Counterfeit. Hindi kami titingin. Dali! Smack lang! Hindi kami titingin. Guys, ayaw nyo?
Di ako titingin.
Hindi kami titingin. Tignan nyo, guys, ha? Ayaw nyo? Oo, ayaw talaga. Hindi titingin.
Wala.
5 seconds, ha? Pag ayaw. Yun. 1.
Okay, next couple. Next couple.
Ayan na, ha? Wait na, kalma lang kayo. Kalma lang kayo. January 27, tama?
Pareho ba? Baka iba alam ng isa.
Kalma lang kayo.
Magkaiba lang yun.
Kalma lang kayo. Okay, sige. Ano eh, kumalma yung isa kanina. Kumalma lang kayo. Ba't naglalapitan kayo ngayon, ha? Oo. Kopal o tangal? Teka, hindi ako naniniwala ko.
It's getting wilder at ESC.
Buti pa sila, kopol!
Damn!
boy!
Oh, get one. One of each. Wala lang. Ubus na. Oh, Pinoy!
Oo.
Atras. Okay.
Okay, congratulations!
Oh, ito, babae naman.
Congratulations! Atras.
MOTUL.
Atras. I-like nyo na sa Facebook, AUTO-GARD, AUTO.
Patingin. Yan, Brad Marshall yan. Yan, AUTO-GARD. Yan, sundan yan.
Ready nyo mga camera nyo, ha?
AUTO-GARD, good. Yan. Yan, tingin sa.
Patanggalin yung traffic. Okay,
Yun o!
Okay, bilang. Guys, please, atras. Kala ko.
Yeah! It's a car party here at ESC!
So, sige, pumila
It's a car party! It's a car party!
Dito ka sa likod, no? Ains, no? From Event 64. Atras, ano?
What is
Space for the middle.
Whoa!
Sige, wait lang. Gusto sino tong si Real Ryan?
Real Ryan!
Naka-blue kasi eh. Dapat naka-white yan or black eh.
Oo nga, ba't ka naka-blue?
Naka-blue.
Ever since.
Yeah, ever since. Okay. Si Real Ryan is on YouTube. search Real Ryan, okay, sa mga hindi nakakilala. Pero yun na nga, meron siyang
Guys, welcome to ESC. Now, hindi to car meet, kundi car party.
Yes! Car party!
palakpakan.
It's a wrap here at the Eastside Collective Car Meet here again at the R33 Drift Track. So yan, no, meron tayong magandang sasakyan sa likod. Yung RX-7 FD. Ganda. Rotary power. So yan, nag-enjoy ba kayo sa event kanina? Nakakapagod pero enjoy guys. Punong-puno, ang daming kotse. Thank you sa mga umattend, nag-support dito sa event ng Eastside Collective. And as always present tayo dito. We always support ESC din and all of our friends naman in the car community. And again, ano pa ba? Enjoy naman tayo lahat. So this is it for today's episode. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Carbon Media. You can also like and follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Okay, this is Mikey.
Skyper.
For Carbon Media, thank you for watching. Peace out.